Edibles are easy to grow in containers. Plastic or wooden containers are preferred because you can bang those around without breaking them, and they're easy to lift. They're not quite as heavy as some of the other containers can be. And you want to make sure that for your veggies and your fruit trees, the container's at least 15 inches diameter or greater. The more room you have in your container, the more room there will be for roots to grow. And the more roots you get, the more productive your plants are going to be. And it's a lot easier for your tomato to make more tomatoes when it's got more roots. Once you've planted your plant, then feel free to add other things in. You want to be sure to try some herbs, because herbs are going to do a lot of good stuff for your plants, help keep some of the pests away, and also just make a little bit more excitement in your container. But you can also choose flowers if you want to plant some things and throw flowers in them as well. Once you get everything planted, the main difference between container and in ground is you're going to have to water and fertilize more frequently. So you want to make sure that you get your fertilizer in your pot and that you water them thoroughly and soak everything at the time of planting and then regularly after that. Containers come in a wide variety of materials, from terracotta to ceramics to concretes, plastics, polyplastics, wood, etc. And size matters. So when you're choosing your containers, you want to choose small plants for small pots. And for your large plants, you want to get large pots. And for vegetables, plastic or wood seems to work best. You can put them in that, make it at least a 15-inch diameter container for best growth. When you're choosing to plant up your annuals, perennials, houseplants, any other flowers, you want to pick your container to be 2 times as big as your root ball. That's going to give it a lot of room to grow and keep growing throughout the season, and you won't have to worry about trying to transplant it again. So you just want to get it in, put it in the center, give it everything that it needs, give it a good soaking, and using a plastic container like this means that it's nice and lightweight.